quick tip today. We've talked about the major scale and the pentatonic scale as well. And I wanted to talk about the natural minor scale, which is also called the Aeolian mode, but I'm not going to get into the modes until further down the road. Just want to give you a quick tip. You don't have to learn a whole bunch of new scales to know how to play the natural minor scale. We're going to learn a little quick trick that I learned, not on purpose, kind of by accident over the years, of just picking up pieces of knowledge, and this is how I learned to solo. So the G major scale, as you know, one of the positions I taught you was okay, and that one position there, that's the third position of the G major scale. That is the exact same notes as the E minor scale. Okay, reason being is relative majors, relative minors. I don't know if you've heard that yet. When I get to my theory section, we'll really go over it. But every major key has a relative minor. So the key of G is a relative minor, E minor. The key of C, relative minor is A minor. Key of D, relative minor is the B minor. And how you find the relative minor is the sixth position of the scale. So key of G, the sixth note is E, the E minor chord, the E minor pentatonic is the same pattern. And what you can do on the guitar is key of A, so the A note, go down 3 frets, you're going to find an F sharp. The F sharp is the relative minor scale of A major. They have the exact same notes. Demo D, that B minor, that scale of B minor has the exact same notes as D major. So what I learned when I was playing, and I had learned those positions on the A, how to solo in minors, minor pentatonic, natural minor, I realized I don't have to learn, wow, what's the E minor natural minor scale? I can just play that any of those 5 G minor or G major scales, positions, over an E minor chord progression, and it's the same notes. Same with A. I'll play the F sharp minor scale over the A. It's going to be A major because they're the same notes. So it's just a quick tip without having to learn all the natural minor scales. You just need to play the relative minor versus majors, like I said. That's how I did it. It was quick and easier, and you realize you don't need to learn all these new patterns. They're the same patterns, like I said. So if I'm playing in key of C major, I could play an A minor. If the song's in A minor, I know C major pentatonic or C major scale. Over an A minor, it's going to sound. It'll be sad. I wish I had my looper going because I could show you. But they're the same notes. So you don't have to learn all these new scales, all right? You can just plug in the relative minor or the major over whichever one. You know, if I'm playing B minor, a sad song, you could play that D major scale, which is the B minor, and it's going to fit perfectly over that. All right, so it's just a quick tip. Relative majors, minors makes it a whole lot easier. You already know, if you learned all the major ones, the positions, you already know all the minors. You just have to slide them up or down, okay? So hopefully that was helpful. I'll get more into that when we get to the modes and that kind of thing, because they do the same thing. You know, a Dorian is a G major scale, just with the focus around the A. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.